Hello children, good morning. Where I have stopped in the last class, I think I have completed the page number 30. In that page number 30, what we have studied children, some puzzles they have given, then we have given to particular name for those puzzles, right? Today I am going to start with a new chapter. Before starting the new chapter children, let me ask you some questions regarding that chapter. What chapter? Then some Sarvanams we have studied. What are those Sarvanams children? Mai, tum, like that. Okay, today we are going to start with some kriya ka matlab verbs. In English we call as a verb. Related to that verbs, they have given here small lesson. In this class I am going to teach about that lesson children. Okay, take out your textbook. In that page number 31 you have to open. I think everybody is sat with a textbook while you are watching the videos. If at you didn't sit with a textbook, please take out your textbook and sit with that. Okay, then only you will come to know what ma'am is teaching in the class and online classes and all. Okay, shall I start the lesson children? सब करते हैं कितने काम, सब करते हैं कितने काम, it means everybody will do the so much of work. Okay, let us start to read the lesson children. पाठ का उद्देश्य what is the main intention of this lesson children? पाठ का शुद्धघटन करवाना तथा क्रिया का ज्ञान देना. Okay, while we are reading the lessons we have to ध्यान about the kriya verbs. We have to concentrate about the verbs children. Okay, shall we start the lesson? Page number 31 you have to open. Let me read one para complete. After completing that one para I am going to explain it. Okay, सुबह हुई, स्वामी की अम्मा सबके लिए नाश्ता पकाने लगी. सुबह हुई, स्वामी की अम्मा सबके लिए नाश्ता पकाने लगी. स्वामी के अप्पा नाश्ता करके दफ्तर गए. स्वामी और रोहिणी ने नाश्ता किया. दोनों स्कूल चले गए. ओके, नेक्स्ट पैरा. शाम को स्वामी और रोहिणी अम्मा के साथ बाजारा गए. बाजारा में सबने फलों के रस का मजा लिया. स्वामी ने खिलौने खरीदे, रोहिणी ने चित्रकला की पुस्तक खरीदी. दोनों खुश होकर घर आ गए. शाम को अप्पा दफ्तर से घर आए. स्वामी और रोहिणी ने अप्पा के साथ बगीचे में पौधे में पानी दिया. Okay, it's a complete lesson children. Before explaining about that, let me give you meaning. ಶಬ್ದಾರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಬ್ದಾರ್ಥನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಬ್ದಾರ್ಥ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. आना, कम, जागना. These are all not meanings children, sorry. नाश्ता, नाश्ता का मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट. दफ्तर, दफ्तर, ऑफिस. स्कूल, स्कूल. बाजार, बाजार का मतलब मार्केट. नेक्स्ट रस, रस मीनिंग जूस. खिलौने, खिलौने का मतलब क्या है, टॉयज. चित्रकला, चित्रकला. चित्रकला का मतलब क्या है? ड्राइंग, ड्राइंग। बगीचे, बगीचे का मतलब गार्डन। ओके, नेक्स्ट सुबह, मॉर्निंग, सुबह, सुबह, सुबह का मतलब क्या है चिल्ड्रन? मॉर्निंग। ओके, नेक्स्ट पानी, पानी का मतलब वाटर, वाटर। पुस्तक, बुक, चला रही थी पुस्तक, बुक्स और बुक। बगीचा, school, पाठशाला. Okay, these are all the meanings, children. Let me read once again those meanings. After that I am going to explain the lesson, children. Okay, when you come to know the meanings of word, you can understand the lesson easily. So first I have written all the meanings. Okay, first one what I have written? Nasta, nasta का मतलब breakfast. Daftar, office. School, school. Bajara, market. Next, रस, juice. पुस्तक, book. Next, खिलौने, toys. चित्रकला, drawing. बगीच, garden. सुबह, morning, पानी, water. Okay. Now you came to know the meaning of the word, children. Shall we start the lesson? Okay. सुबह हुई, स्वामी की अम्मा सबके लिए नाश्ता पकाने लगी. ओके, इट वाज अ मॉर्निंग. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಬೆಳಗಾಯ್ತು. Then Swami mother started to cooking for the breakfast to everyone. Those are there in the home. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು. Who is that girl, children? She is a Swami's mother. Swami, he is a boy. The mother of that Swami prepared a breakfast to everyone, those who are there in the family. Okay. स्वामी के अप्पा नाश्ता करके दफ्तर गए. स्वामी father had a breakfast and went to the daftar का मतलब क्या है children? Office. Okay, after having the breakfast he went to the office, as your father will do. He may be a teacher or a doctor or an officer. Okay, after having breakfast they used to go na, like that. Swami's father also, after having the tiffin they went to the daftar. Okay, स्वामी और रोहिणी ने नाश्ता किया, दोनों स्कूल चले गए. ओके, आई थिंक दैट स्वामी एंड रोहिणी बोथ वर brother and sister. Okay, they too had a lunch, they too had a breakfast. After having the breakfast they went to the school. Okay, what's the main character here, children? Swami, Swami ka sister, Swami ka father and Swami ka mother. Okay, Swami ka mother, what she have done? She have prepared a breakfast to everyone. Okay, after that Swami's father had that breakfast and went to the school. Next, Swami and both his sister too had a breakfast and went to the school. Okay, what about that Swami mother, children? She too, after giving breakfast to everyone, she too had that breakfast. Okay, next, it's a first para. Let me read it once again. सुबह हुई, स्वामी की अम्मा सबके लिए नाश्ता पकाने लगी. स्वामी के अप्पा नाश्ता करके दफ्तर गए. स्वामी और रोहिणी ने नाश्ता किया, दोनों स्कूल चले गए. Okay, then Swami mother prepared a breakfast and she has given to everyone. Then all those people had a breakfast and went to their duty there. It may be a school or it may be a office. Okay, it's a first para. Let us see second para, children. शाम को स्वामी और रोहिणी अम्मा के साथ बाजार गए. बाजार में सबने फलों के रस का मजा लिया. शाम को स्वामी और रोहिणी अम्मा के साथ बाजार गए. Okay, Swami and Rohini had a breakfast. Both went to school. Swami and Rohini went to the market with the mother in the evening. Okay, in the morning they have done their all the jobs. What? Going to school, and his father went to the office and everything. When they come back to the home, children, that is Swami and Rohini went to the market with whom, children? With his mother. Okay, next, शाम को स्वामी और रोहिणी अम्मा के साथ बाजार गई. In the evening, शाम का मतलब क्या है children? Evening. Have I written here? No. Right. शाम का मतलब evening. शाम. Sorry. शाम का मतलब evening. Okay. In the evening, Rohini and her brother, who Swami went to the market with his mother. Okay. बाजार में सबने फलों के रस का मजा लिया. Okay. They enjoyed the juice, children. Fruit of juice. They enjoyed the market. It's available in the market, right, children? We can't get it whenever we want. We have to go for the market to enjoy the juice. Like that Swami and his sister went to the market with the mother to enjoy the juice. Which juice, children? It's a fruit juice. Okay. Next. स्वामी ने खिलौने खरीदे. He have taken the खिलौने. खिलौने का मतलब क्या है चिल्ड्रन? He have taken the toys. Okay. स्वामी ने खिलौने खरीदे. रोहिणी ने चित्रकला की पुस्तक खरीदी. दोनों खुश होकर घर को गए. ओके. इन द मार्केट दैट स्वामी taken a what toys, but that Rohini have purchased a drawing book. Both they become very happy and back to their home. Okay. शाम को अप्पा दफ्तर से घर आए. शाम को अप्पा दफ्तर से घर आए ಅಂದ್ರೆ in the evening his father also back to the home from office. स्वामी और रोहिणी ने अप्पा के साथ बगीचे में पौधे में पानी दिया. Okay. After when their father back to the home, the Swami and Rohini watered the plants in the garden with the father. Watering the plant is nothing but the children. What? Gardening the plant. Okay. Those who take care of the garden, that person we call as a gardener. Right. Next, see here, children. It's a lesson. What we learned in this lesson, children? There was a small family of Swami, Rohini and their parents. Okay. Next, in the morning, Rohini and Swami mother prepared a breakfast to everyone. Okay. All they had a breakfast, children went to the school, but her husband went to the office. Okay. When they back to the home in the evening, that's Swami and Rohini again went to the market with their mother. Okay. After going to market, what they have done, children? First, they have taken the juice of fruit and they enjoyed by drinking it. Okay. After that, Rohini have taken the choice. Then Swami have taken the toys, but that Rohini have taken the drawing book. Okay. By getting that, they become very happy and they back to the home, children. When they went to the home, their father also came on that time. What he have done? He to have that tea and coffee and everything. After that, he have taken their children and went to garden watering the plants. Okay, garden ittante alli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರು watering ಮಾಡಿ enjoy ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Okay, what you will do, children? What you have learned through this? Whatever it may be a small house or a small everything, we should be happy. Okay, like this. It's a related nasta, daftar, school, bazaar, khilone, chitrakala. These are all the meanings. Okay. Next, what's the name of the children? Swami and Rohini. Okay. What was his father doing there? Their father was doing the what? Office work, right? It's related to this chapter, children. Okay. Once again, children, sorry for this. What? Because I have not given that एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखो of lesson मैं तुम और आप. Okay. Surely, children, today I think yesterday I have sent. You have to write that CW. After that, I am going to start with the 6th lesson. Okay. See here. Next. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು pause the video and read how I have pronounced that word. Then only you will get an idea. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ lesson? Shall I start to read, children? ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಲೈನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್. ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಛೇ, पाठ 6 सब करते हैं कितने काम. सुबह हुई, स्वामी की अम्मा सबके लिए नाश्ता पकाने लगी. स्वामी के अप्पा नाश्ता करके दफ्तर गए. स्वामी और रोहिणी ने नाश्ता किया. दोनों स्कूल चले गए. शाम को स्वामी और रोहिणी अम्मा के साथ बाजार गए. बाजार में सबने फलों के रस का मजा लिया. मजा का मतलब क्या है चिल्ड्रन? हैप्पी. ओके. स्वामी ने खिलौने खरीदे. रोहिणी, खरीदे का मतलब परचेज. रोहिणी ने चित्रकला की पुस्तक खरीदी. दोनों खुश होकर घर आ गए. शाम को अप्पा दफ्तर से घर आए. स्वामी और रोहिणी ने अप्पा के साथ बगीचे में पौधे में पानी दिया. ओके. It's what children? It's a lesson. Okay. What homework I am going to give you children? Today I am going to give you the write the meanings. Okay. You have to learn and write the meanings. Turn that page children. Page number 32 you have to open. Padho aur samjho. Okay. They have given here some kriya. Just now we have learned the lesson which is related to kriya children. In that, from that lesson they have selected here some kriya verbs. Okay. Let us see now. Ana, काम का करना या होना बताने वाले शब्द क्रिया कहलाते हैं. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ದೋಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿवन चिल्ड्रन. आना, आना, आना का मतलब कम. जागना, वेकअप. पीना, ड्रिंक. खेलना, प्ले. सोना, स्लीप. खाना, ईट. देखना, सी. दौड़ना, रन. जाना, गो. लिखना, राइट. हंसना, हंसना, लव. नेक्स्ट पढ़ना, रीड. ओके. दिस क्रिया you have to learn children properly. Okay. आना, कम, जगाना, जागना, वेकअप. पीना, ड्रिंक. खेलता, प्ले. सोना, स्लीप. खाना, ईट. देखना, सी. दौड़ना, रन. जाना, गो. लिखना, राइट. हंसना, लव. पढ़ना, रीड. Okay. These are all the kriya words children. Okay. Next, look at शब्दार्थ. नाश्ता, नाश्ता का मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट. दफ्तर, ऑफिस. स्कूल, स्कूल इटसेल्फ. बाजार, what it is? मार्केट. रस, जूस. खिलौने, टॉयज. चित्रकला, ड्राइंग. बगीच, गार्डन. सुबह, मॉर्निंग. पानी, वाटर. नेक्स्ट, शाम का मतलब क्या है? इवनिंग. ओके. दीज आर ऑल द शब्दार्थ. नेक्स्ट, समानार्थ शब्द. समानार्थ शब्द मीन्स सुबह. इन हिंदी बैग, इन हिंदी क्या करती? प्रातः. ओके. पानी, जल. पुस्तक, किताब. बगीचा, उपवन, गार्डन. ओके. स्कूल, पाठशाला. These are all what children? समानार्थ शब्द. Okay. This is related to this part 6 lesson children. Now I am going to give you homework. Whatever homework I am going to give you on the board children, now you have to write in a HW. Okay. Take out your HW children. Take out your HW, write. शब्दार्थ. What it is? शब्दार्थ. Put. शब्दार्थ. Okay. Put a headline. शब्दार्थ. नाश्ता. नाश्ता का मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट. See children, in one page Two you have to write. Okay. Next, daftar. Daftar means office. Okay. Next, school. स्कूल का मतलब स्कूल. बगीचे. Garden. These four words you have to write in one page. Okay. You next sari ಬರಿಬೇಕು 1 2 3 4. 4 times ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಕೂಡ 4 times ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay. First one nasta, daftar, school, bagiche. Okay. These four words children you have to write and learn at home. Okay. Write these four in another page. I am going to give you remaining four words. Okay. Write this one. First one nasta, daftar, school and bagiche. Write this one. I think you have written this one, children. Okay. Rub this. Write remaining four words in the next page. Page turn ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Date ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು. Okay. First one. Rus. Rus. रस. रस का मतलब जूस. JUICE. जूस. ओके. नेक्स्ट चित्रकला. ड्राइंग. चित्रकला. ड्राइंग. नेक्स्ट खिलौने. टॉयज. खिलौने. Toys. Okay. Sham. Evening. Okay. This again these four words children. Write four words in one page. Remaining four words in another page. Total how much children? 8 words. Okay. These 8 words you have to learn and write in a SW. Okay. What is the homework? Write and learn the words given in a HSW. HSW means Hindi homework. Okay. Check. Write and learn the words given in HSW. Okay. It's about the lesson children. I hope everybody have understood the class and also understood the homework also. Whatever homework I have given you have to study on it properly. Okay. Thank you for watching my video children. Now I am going to wind up the class. Have a nice day. Thank you.